Bent over reverse flies. With a dumbbell bent over reverse flies, obviously starting in that hinge down position or that bent over position. So it's important to keep your abs nice and engaged, your upper back nice and engaged, shoulders down and back. This is going to protect your low back from having undue strain on it. As long as you can have a good, stable, bent over position, then you're going to do the reverse flies. And reverse flies are basically the opposite of pec flies. Your elbows are slightly bent and you're bringing those dumbbells from that hang down position outward and up to engage all of your upper back musculature.